Privacy embedded into design. The third fundamental principle of privacy by design model, originally developed by Dr. Anne Covian, the former Information and Privacy Commissioner, Ontario, Canada. Let's talk about this principle now in this next video. Welcome to my YouTube channel, where we have been talking a lot about data privacy, and we'll keep continue uploading fresh content on data privacy on a daily basis. To begin with, we'll redefine or rediscuss the definition of data privacy. You need my personal information for some purpose, and you demand that or you request that. And now it's my right to decide what personal information I want to share, with whom in general, and what is the purpose of sharing that information. And if in case it is that you need to share this information with a third party for some additional work, then it is again my right to decide whether I allow you to share it with a third party or not. Right? This process of taking my permission to collect my information and process it and share it with third parties is known as consent management. And data privacy overall has those rules and laws that protect my interests, that in case you misuse my information or you share my information inappropriately, then I can take protection of law to ensure that my interest is taken care of. Privacy by design model is very simple to understand. It says that when you design any system in your organization, privacy and all privacy principles should be a part of it. You should embed them in your system, that when your people are working, right from the design, development, use, disposal of any system, they are taking care of the personal information of any of the business associates that you have, your employees, your vendors, your prospects, your customers. All of them are taken care of because they are incorporated into the basic principle by design. And you know several examples where unknowingly things happen, and you realize that if the entire process was designed properly, then those unknowing things might not have happened and privacy would have been better taken care of. Now let's discuss what they mean when we say privacy embedded into the design. It should be a part of the design. Most of your designs are IT systems, so your IT systems must be capable of taking care of anything, small things like even consent management. Right? It should be a part of it. Give you an example of someone applying for a job. Then it should be a part of the system that it defines at that stage itself that when you are sending me your personal information, this is how it is going to be if you are getting selected and joining, and this is how it is going to be if you are getting rejected or selected but not joining. Right? That's how I'll take care of your personal information. Now that should become a part of the HR system. Whether the HR is handling some HRMS software or whether they are doing manual business practice, Excel sheets, Word files, but that is what is expected, that it should be a part. Do not treat privacy as just an add-on kind of a thing. Privacy should be a part. It should be like bread and butter or breath of an organization. Make it a very, very essential component within the organization. Implementation approaches, it should be holistic. There should be a broader context. You should analyze your entire environment and all your functions and operational areas to see where all privacy is required or needs to be taken care of. It should be integrative. That means you should talk to all the stakeholders, consult them, take their buy-in, and you need to do that in any case in a business process. So you should take your stakeholders into confidence and let them know that not abiding with privacy could be a bigger challenge, right? And it should be creative. You should not create alternatives to how your people are currently working, but you should give them reinventive solutions so that they feel more confident about using the new kind of working systems, right? Don't offer them alternatives. Just give them new and more exciting solutions. Key aspects, the approach should be very, very systemic. Things should be taken well care of. You should rely upon accepted standards and frameworks. What are the standards and frameworks on which your company works? And you should reinvent some of them wherever it is required. You should be open to external reviews. External agencies, if they want to conduct any assessments in your organization, then you should be open and available. You should apply the fair information practices. We'll have a long video on that in times to come, but fair information practices are the fair practices that the privacy standards define that should be used while handling personal data of any of your associates, and each and every step and operation should be properly covered within the organization, right? So in designing of each and every step and operation that your organization covers, privacy should be taken care of. You should carry out privacy impact assessment tests or assessments, find out risks, you should publish the results, you should document what measures are you taking to mitigate those risks, and you should demonstrate how you are minimizing those risks through those matrices. You should not downgrade your system of working to accommodate privacy. You should embed privacy as part of your system of working, right? Privacy should be a part of your system of working. That's what I wanted to talk about when I talked about privacy being embedded into the design. I hope you like my content, so press the like and the bell icon, and follow my YouTube channel, subscribe it, share your feedback in the comment section. Thank you.